Kaway-kaway naman tayo sa TV dyan. Alam ba kayo mga pa-shoutout? Welcome sa kung sino man po ako pa-shoutout. Para live po tayo, Ali Salma TV ha. Huwag po kayong mahihiya. 1 year, 1 happy naman po yan. Maswerte tayo, dinalaw tayo. Ni Boss Ami. Dolores sa nagkaulang na. Pari, power play, offensive foul by Pari. Jersey naman na namin, offensive foul. Second personal foul by Pari. By extending the arm by Pari, exactly 7 minutes and 49 seconds. 11 and 12. Kailangan up by 1. Pari for the rebound. Manukan selling the show and puts it up and knocks it down. The 3-point game, exactly 7 minutes and 31 seconds. 13 and 12, naman na isa. Itong tiyakan ni Sikuti. Dolores na! Huli ka, Balbon, traveling violation. It's a safe foot landing. By Dolores, exactly 7 minutes and 19 seconds. Manuka na, fighting up na, Bulay! From the free throw line, Bulay! Nothing but net. Smooth na smooth lang ang elbow jumper itong si Bulay. Exactly 7 minutes. 17 seconds of the shot clock. Paring na. Pitawang ball na may sumama. Way downtown break. Off the line. Rebounded. And a jump ball there. And a ball position of the red team. Exactly 6 minutes and 49 seconds. Manuka now attacking. Manuka now enter the inside. Manuka is unstoppable. Exactly 6 minutes and 39 seconds. Hanoya now. 19 seconds of the shot clock to Paring. Paring now. Nice speed. And a whistle and a foul against jersey number 29. Bulay. First personal foul. And a first team foul against the red team. Paring. From the free throw line. Itinutok, ipinasok. O boy, walang the please. Walang mintis ang unang bitaw itong si Paring. Last 2 of 2 by jersey number 11. Paring. Yes, sir! Kompleto regados. Ang photo shot itong si Paring. Exactly 6 minutes and 24 seconds. Time check is being brought in by Tanduay Ram. Manunggay Trevor Huain. What is that? Counted traveling violation. Exactly 6 minutes and 11 seconds. Tulones na against Manukan. Paring. Pumihit. Hanoya. 13 to shoot. Tulones. Yes, another traveling violation by Tulones. Exactly 5 minutes and 55 seconds. 17 and 14. Manuka now, attacking. Manuka, finding a banana. Manuka connection. Get hit. Exactly 4 minutes and 5 minutes and 44 seconds. Substitution. Hanoya, jersey number 20. For the K90. And Tulones Brothers. Pasok itong jersey number 26. Exactly 5 minutes. And 44 seconds, 17 and 14. Sumama na from the logo. Sumama na Wantake. Sumama there. Sumabit. And a whistle and a ball against jersey number Joaquin. 74. Jersey number 20. 74. Joaquin. First personal foul. Yeah. Second team ball against the red team. Jersey number 20 now penetrating into the inside. There's the shot. Bulay to Manukan. Breaks and run. Basket is counted. Pass foul against jersey number 26. Dolores. First First personal foul and a second team ball against the K90 team. Manugana right end to the free throw line and to complete that 3-point game. Exactly 5 minutes and 19 seconds. Sumama, corner 3. Ito ba si jersey number 20, Hanoya Pari. Yes, the 2-pointer. Manukan, bye-bye. American Pie. 2-point game by Manukan. Exactly 4 minutes and 58 seconds. Sumama, knocks it. Tornadas, 2-pointer, no. Exactly 4 minutes and 51 seconds. And time out. The K90 team. Exactly 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Time change being brought here by Ani Salvatini. Play the game your way. Ani Salvatini, the official partner of the Namastown Basketball League. Exactly 4 minutes and 51 seconds. Dito po sa ikalawang yugtong ng bakbakan, Bulay na, finding open man. Nesta, 2-pointer, there's another volleyball. Tete, Sumama now, attacking, Sumama now. Charging in and whistle and the foul is jersey number 24, Makawile. First personal foul and a third team foul against the red team, Sumama. And the first bonus shot is off. Last two up to by jersey number 7, Sumama. Exactly 4 minutes and 32 seconds. Sumama can't hit. Joaquin got the ball. Joaquin now to Imperial. Pulay. Exactly 4 minutes and 24 seconds. Pulay now. Joaquin. Makawile. Short. Tolones got the ball. Exactly 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Jersey number 13 can't hit. Pulay now. Pulay. Pulay single, 15 to shoot, 14 to shoot. And a breakaway two by jersey number 74. Imperial. And itong si Pari, finding of a man, Hanoya and a whistle and a foul against a pushing foul against jersey number 13. First personal foul and a third team foul. First personal foul and the third team foul against the K90 team. Makawile now. Makawile. And a bounce pass. Set by Sumama. Tuwana! Point short and a whistle and a foul against jersey number 29, Bulay. Second personal foul and a warning for penalty against the red team, Sumama. Right in the middle, free throw shot is off. Last two of 2 for jersey number 7, Sumama, exactly 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Sumama, last one off. Pari over the top. Imperial got the ball and stolen by Sumama. Sumama now, going open man. And Pari keep on fighting. Imperial finally got the ball. Exactly 3 minutes and stolen by Hanoya. Tumama sa tuhod itong si Hanoya. Wala pa rin naman dito sa Villarreal. Exactly 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Makawile! Missed shot. 2-point game. Exactly 2 minutes and 37 seconds. Sumama now, and stolen by Pulay. Pulay now, coast to coast, Pulay. And what last pass by Vicente. Exactly 2 minutes and 27 seconds. 24 and 14. 19 seconds on the shot clock. Balls in play. Macau relay. Dead hit. Wally Dongsi. Sumama. Dolores got the ball. Dolores. Vicente. And a whistle on the ball against jersey number 24, Macau Willie push foul. And timeout. Second personal foul by Macau Willie. Wally Dongsi set for the first ball shot. So, last 2 October, jersey number 13, Vicente. Exactly 2 minutes and 14 seconds. Vicente, ball of 2 is best. Exactly 2 minutes and 12 seconds, 24 and 14. Manukan na, piling over na, Manukan to Manukan conduction. Kaboom! Air to win! That 3-pointer is being brought to you by Ami Salvatini. Live, play the game Norway. Ami Salvatini. Exactly 1 minute and 55 seconds right here in the second quarter. Supro, long way, 3, Pulsa, 4 to win. Supro, one along si Hanoya. And a whistle on the ball against jersey number 26, pushing foul. First personal foul by Manukan, penalty, boss. Penalty tayo, penalty. Penalty situation against the Calle 5 team. Hanoya will be sent to the free-throw line for the bonus shot. First one by Hanoya. Last 2 October, jersey number 28, Hanoya. Exactly 1 minute and 43 seconds. Hanoya! Completos Regados. Ayos na ayos ang free throw itong si Hanoya. Exactly 1 minute and 39 seconds. Way down, long 3, long 3. Paring got the ball. Tolones attacking! Tolones and a strong finish by Tolones. Exactly 1 minute and 24 seconds. Squares up, Salvadito, get hit. Tolones now attacking. Here was last touch by Tolones. Tumama sa tuhod itong si Tolones. Panik ang bola dito sa red team. Exactly 1 minute and 12 seconds. 27-21 ang ating score sa tarahan. Sa gitna itong si Manuka Carumana from the logo. Panik ang bola. Colombres. Checkmate. Huli itong si Pare. Hanoya! Hanoya! Here na. Tolones there. And recovery and stolen by Manuka. Henry isa, paling na muna, Imperial. Pasa sa loob. Vicente for the defense. Tolones, bye-bye. American ball. 35 seconds. 33 seconds. Manuka now. Squares up. Next the shot. 28 seconds. 25 seconds. Nabitawan pa. The ball slips on the hand of Hanoya. Shot clock is on 23 seconds. 23 seconds. Shot clock is on. Last call. 10 seconds. 9 seconds. 5 seconds. 3. Time. That is the buzzer sound for the second quarter of the ball game. At sa muli, pasalamatan po natin ang ating mga major sponsors.
Score 27-23.
2026 is brought to you by SK Council of Buena Fortuna, headed by Honorable Chairperson Rocky Infanamata and SK members, yung ating mga nagagandahang SK Honorable Joan Pulay, Honorable Martin Kulangoy, Honorable Lia May Calapan, and Honorable Chanley Hanoya, and Honorable Jetro Vicente, Honorable Luke Orta, yes, and Honorable Leche Capio. Together with the cooperation of the Barangay Bishop from Barangay Fortuna, headed by Honorable Chairperson Ryan J. Laurencio, Barangay officials, Honorable George Tinorio, Honorable Jory Palomata, Honorable Edwin Imperial, and Honorable Alma Zapata, Honorable Nobeli Matahilig, and Honorable Lovely Lobre Kahilig, and Honorable Nani Martinez. Yan po yung ating mga major sponsors of this ball game. Pahampang 2026, Barangay Fortuna, Buena Fortuna.